Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's start. If the PC is not crashing, okay, it's okay. Let's see. The picture is great and the effect is good. So let's see how we can create that. You see here, this thing, the effect is going to make it special. So at first we need to have the picture. The picture is here. It's an easy one. It's just a picture. You need to have it. Let me select the picture and add the picture to the slide. Okay, we have the picture here. Now, this is just a simple text. I'm going to copy. This two is just two lines, nothing special, and the text. So how we create the effect? It is here where the part is become a little harder to create. So we need to add a rectangle. Okay. And then we add to insert a text box and write bridge in that. After that, you need to have installed the Overdrive Sunset font and increase the size to 300. Or whatever number you want, then increase it. You see the 300 is not enough because of that. I think it's good to up 380. Then align it center and middle. Then hold Ctrl A, press Ctrl A and then combine them. You see the thing is that we create this thing, but as you see, these two pictures are going to create a wrong effect. So how we are going to fix that? We copy this slide and then in the past slide we bring it down, then bring it up. Okay, now here we hold Ctrl and Shift, then format the shape and set the outline to 0 transparency and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. It's as beautiful as possible. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.